And we are live all the way from Europe. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to all you sa mga co-host ko. Oh, sorry, nagtagalog na ako. Good evening to my co-host and to those who are watching this video. Welcome to our live session tonight. So as you can see, I'm not alone. I am with some amazing women from our international business community. There are also digital business owners like me. And we are here tonight because we're going to discuss a topic that many of us can relate. And you know what? Nowadays, more people are chasing not only money, they also chase more time freedom, less stress, flexibility, more family time, and more control of their future. So tonight, we're going to discuss about it with um, honesty. So stay tuned with us, and yes, enjoy our live session. So let's begin by starting to introduce ourselves quickly. So let's go to Italy first to introduce herself. Sis Rosalie, the floor is yours.
Hello, blessed Tuesday, everyone. To all of our beautiful ladies all the way from Europe, it's nice to be back again to our live session. I'm Rosalie, originally from Philippines. I'm mom of one, currently living and working as dental assistant here at Padua, Italy. And of course, Christian entrepreneur at my free time. Thank you.
All right. Now let's go to the UK. Let's start with Sis Mel. The floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Hi, I'm Mel. I'm from UK. I'm a mom and a registered nurse here in UK. So, are you feeling the heat wave? So, while listening and just enjoy our live show.
All right. Thank you. And the last but not the least, Sis Liberty.
Hello, everybody. My name is Liberty. I'm from Newcastle, UK, originally from the Philippines. I'm a mom of two amazing teenagers. I'm a wife and I work as a nursing assistant for the NHS, and I've been in the business for almost 2 years now.
Okay. And my name is Jenny. I'm a Filipina working mom of three. I am living here in France. I work in childcare and also running a digital business on the side. So I'll be your host tonight and welcome to our show. So all right, so let's
Welcome.
proceed. Hello. Thank you so much for watching and let's start with the Q&A. So let's go to the first question. So do you think people today are becoming more tired emotionally and mentally, not just physically? Sis Rose, what can you say about this question?
Yes, thank you for that great question. Absolutely, yes. I believe many people today are emotionally and mentally exhausted, and not just physically tired. Before, people would come home tired from work physically. But now, even after resting, many people still feel drained mentally because of stress, pressure, responsibilities, bills, and constant worries about the future. A lot of people are doing their best every single day, but deep inside, they feel overwhelmed. Some are balancing work, family responsibilities, finances, and personal struggles, all at the same time. And because life moves so fast now, many people barely have time for themselves anymore. And I also think social media and technology added pressure in different ways. People compare their lives, feel behind, or feel like they always need to keep up. So even if someone looks okay on the outside, mentally they may already feel very tired. That's why many people today are not only looking for more income, they also looking for more peace, flexibility, and freedom with their time. They want a life where they can breathe more, spend time with family, take care of themselves, and not feel constantly stressed every day. And for me, that's why conversation like this are important because many people are quietly searching for a better balance in life, not just financially, but emotionally and mentally. That's all for me. Thank you.
All right, that's wonderful. Yes, and me too. I can relate to that. That's why I'm in this business. All right, so let's go to our question number two. So, what's the next question? So, why do you think more people today are looking for flexibility and time freedom? Sis Liberty, the floor is yours.
Yes, thank you so much for that wonderful question. And yes, I think people nowadays are looking for flexibility and more time freedom, because people nowadays are realizing that time is something that we can never get back. So we are always busy. We are trapped with our work, our responsibilities as parents, with our families. Um, so they think nowadays that it's time freedom is more important, because it's not always work that makes them happy, that makes them content in life. So like me, that's why I joined in this business, because I wanted more flexibility and more time freedom. I know that it's gonna take some time, but I really wanted to build it, because I know that working with your full-time job will take you like how many years? Probably for me, 20 years. But in this business, you can shorten it. So this is like a fast track to that. So people nowadays are realizing that it's not always work that makes them happy. It's more time, more flexibility, so that they can do the things that their family deserves. Yes, back to you,
Oh,
sis.
okay, perfect. So, yes, I think most of us can relate to your answer, more
Mhm.
flexibility. That's why we're here in this business.
Yes. Mhm.
Yes. All right. So let's go to our third question. So, what's the third question? So, do you think technology and online business change how ordinary people see opportunities? Sis Mel?
Hello. Oh, yes, definitely yes, 100%. Before people thinks that business is only for rich people or for only professionals, but as our world change, we are now into technology, and because of that, even ordinary people can start learning skills or building something online, even they are so busy or even they are also employed. um, Technology is really evolving fast, and many ordinary people like mommies, anyone can do a online business. We really don't need any expertise or any skills. We don't need to be techie. By start learning online slowly and gradually, we can be successful as well, like rich people who is now on the top. And like me, I'm also a mom and a full-time nurse. So I get time to do my business online while I'm doing my work. At home, I can give it maybe 1 or 2 hours on just sitting in the maybe in the bedroom, just doing my business. And it's really it's the benefits of having an online business is the flexibility, and we can do it anytime, anywhere. Like me today, I was in beach. I was just on my phone doing some trainings and just enjoying the sun and having my trainings. And yeah, it's really a good way to start doing something that we know that we can go ahead in the future.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much for your answers, Ismail. So, yes, with the latest technology and, with the AI nowadays,
Mhm.
more and more people are like they start to search for opportunities online and just like us, right?
Mhm.
So, yes, if us we want flexibility, it's not because it doesn't make us lazy, and we want more freedom because we want better for our future. That's why we're here tonight. Okay?
Mhm.
So, Yes, now I'd like to hear any last words from my co-host. Let's go back to Italy, to Sis Rose.
All right. Hear me. Here I am again. So, thank you everyone for joining us tonight. If you are curious to learn about what we do online, feel free to check out our website. But my website is www.rosalico.com. See you in the inside. God bless.
All right. How about you, Sis Liberty?
Right. So, to everyone who is watching right now, if you ever wanted to explore another stream of income online, we would like to invite you all to have a look in our business opportunity. And if you want somebody in particular, but my website is www.libertyvasquez.com. And thank you so much also for watching. And I want you to know that never stop believing that your life can improve. And if you'd like to explore this opportunity, just message any one of us here. And you are also welcome to visit any website that you can see on the screen right now.
Okay. How about you, Sis Mel? Oh, we can't hear
Unmute,
you.
sis.
Your mic, sis.
Hello. So anyone who are hardworking mummies or nurses and wanted to learn more about digital online, uh, let yourself explore the beauty of this business. And if you want to learn more, check our websites. And my website is www.melcbailey.com.
Okay, thank you so much. So, thank you so much for spending time with us watching this video, and to my co-host also, thank you so much for joining me. So, yes, if you're watching this video, maybe it's your turn. It's time for you. This is a sign that to look for other possibilities like this online business. So, if you're curious and interested, my website is www.geninotdigital.com. So we have a free webinar available for you. So all you have to do is to sign up your name and email address, and then you will get an email. There will be the link inside. So just open it, click the link, and that's your gateway to this amazing opportunity. Okay, so that would be all for our topic tonight. Thank you so much, Liberty, Mel, and Rose. Thank you so much, and to our viewers. Thank you.
Thank you,
That would be all.
everybody. Good
Thank
Thank
night.
you.
Bye
you.
for
We'll see you in
now.
the inside.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.